Oh, we forgot the go-karts.
Mm.
I need your drink. Whatever gets you. What? Your phone. My phone. Okay, we're gonna push this thing out. So we gotta get you gloves.
Let's get. Sure, there's nothing living in there.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, hold up.
Damn, that's a dirty bit.
What's that?
I'll show some respect though, and I won't call her names.
Yeah,
But she's dirty.
She's dirty. Whew. There you go. Okay, so I'm thinking we could remove the top brackets for the strut. That's what we removed, these two and these two on both sides. We can actually take this off, but do it by hand. Okay, now do it. Make sure it doesn't fall.
Ooh.
Okay. There you go. Let go. Got it. I guess we're taking the whole hood with us. Oh, it's probably the.
It's attached. Yeah.
We forgot to take off the windshield washer sprayers.
Yeah, that's
We might have to do that.
Yeah, how do we do that?
I just want to see under there. Okay, so over here. All right, ready? There we go.
That's dirty.
Okay, well that makes pulling the engine way easier now. That's like one less thing for me to hit my head on at least. Bless you.
Thank you.
I don't know what else we could do besides jumping right into figuring out how to rip this thing apart.
How confident do you feel?
Confidence is like at like a 5 or 6 right now. Like we're gonna do it. I'm just not confident that I'll be able to do it smoothly. And
it's working on a car. It's never going to be smooth.
Oh,
any mechanics out there, tell me if you've been doing it for years. It's never going to be smooth.
No. We have to put this hood somewhere too. We can put it on top of the car.
We can put it in the back.
No, like right on top.
Are you sure about that?
I'm very sure.
I am not.
Hey,
it's just giving it's going to slide off.
All right.
Okay.
Very careful. Ain't going nowhere.
That's sketchy as heck to me, but...
Yeah, it's sketchy, all right. We gotta remove this oil filter relocation block. We gotta remove the alternator, water pump, power steering pump. At least disconnect all these hoses, all these wires. Same with the other side. That's mostly oil on that side and vacuum lines. But
so we're going to start it off by saying that I screwed up with the audio.
Yeah, we have about 5 minutes of edited clips, but probably like an hour or two worth of our work that was audio less, which is why you've been sleeping outside the past week as punishment. And then also, since we're on the topic, all the videos that were recorded vertically instead of horizontally.
You just keep piling it on.
There's the water pump. And there's the power steering pump, which makes a gigantic mess when you disconnect these lines. So have a pan underneath.
Yeah, some of it was a bitch. Some of it was literally like rusted welded.
Yeah, like the alternator nut that was seized on, so we actually had to kind of break that off.
The line that you cut.
Yeah, we had to cut a line. Oh, a wire. Yeah, it's the alternator. You had to cut that. That's what we did.
Yep.
the wiring harness for both the starter, basically everything transmission related. And there it's all disconnected from the engine side.
Yeah, this didn't work out as we were hoping.
Yeah.
Oh, that could definitely be a gift. So don't me. Oh, we fucked up.
Boink.
It was all connected.
Yeah, we broke our coffee maker that we never used in the garage. It shattered everywhere.
That was awesome.
Thankfully, that car was up on like stands, so the tires never were actually on the ground. And we cleaned that pretty good, but still, broken glass in a garage is probably not a good thing.
It's the worst.
I'll take the blame for that.
Putting in work.
Yeah, this is where having a car lift would come in handy. We got Harbor Freight jack stands, so we're good. Got to remove our exhaust, get it out of the way. So we have to disconnect the transmission in order to pull the engine out.
Camera angle, my bad, but also very hard to do with your hand.
Yeah. But anyway, here's the transmission, and all the things that need to be disconnected from it. Like the anti-lock brake system connects to the transmission for some reason. You have two wires. You have the odometer, cable, drive shaft, shifter. That's actually a pretty good camera angle right there, considering how little space. Like it looks like there's so much space, but there's probably about 18 inches under that car. I think this is the cable for the odometer or the speedometer, but that's when all the transmission oil came out, or fluid came out. Now removing the drive shaft. I was 100% just guessing on this. I had no idea if this would work, so I just started taking bolts out. I'm like, oh, that worked. I guess you just pull it out.
Insert Michael Scott. That's what she said.
That is what she said. Oh yeah, so here's the transmission mount to the chassis. So I put a bottle jack under there to support the transmission, so I could take the mount off without the transmission dropping on my face. I could like lower it in a controlled fashion.
It's pretty cool seeing it slowly lower.
And this is how you remove the 6 bolts that are on top of the transmission to take the shifter off. Oh yeah, we got a coffee break because we're old and we have a daughter and we're up early.
Coffee with some shots in
late.
it.
Yeah, you spiked it.
It's the only way to do it.
Oh yeah, you were so sketched out thinking that you sitting in the car would make the car fall off the jack stands.
Yes. It's giving Final Destination.
Yeah, I wasn't underneath. Oh yeah, it was underneath.
Yeah, you were.
I just told you not to move around a lot.
Yeah.
You have to lower the transmission to get to these bolts.
And these bolts weren't even the same size.
Yeah, there was like an oddball one. So that's how you remove the shifter. It just pops right off though. It's kind of crazy how it works. We had it in neutral when we removed it, just so we remember. Yeah, that was such a pain. The transmission dripping oil, or dripping fluid while I was trying to take everything apart. I probably should have drained it first. I wasn't really thinking. All right, I think we should end the night with go-karting.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this thing rips. How are you going backwards? What the heck? I can't catch you. Oh, I'm dizzy again.
Thanks.